We live in an information age, so when you start a new business, more than one person is sure to ask you if you have a company website. If you open a franchise, this is already a part of your business, but for other small business owners, it's important to highly consider the many advantages to having a website of your own. Building a website can be less expensive than you think and less time-consuming as well. A website can help your customers find you, so most businesses benefit greatly from building some kind of a website to promote the company. You don't have to be web-savvy to build a company website. Many people don't understand how to build a website or don't own the software programs that allow them to learn. If you have knowledge about website building, great! You are one step ahead of the game. If not, there are many options available to you. First, look to your employees for help. It's quite possible that someone on your staff knows how to build websites and would actually be willing to take on this kind of project. Even students can do an excellent job here. Speaking of students, your local college is a great place to find someone to build a website. Students often have to complete projects like this when majoring in computer sciences or graphic arts. And then in order to get credit for the subject, they have to use their finished product as your website. Everybody wins in this situation. The cost for you will be much lower since you're working with someone with little experience, and the student will get paid for work he or she has to do anyway, as well as add to their portfolio and possibly get future recommendations from you. If you want to take a more professional approach, you can hire a website building company to design your internet storefront. Be sure to communicate directly and often with the person building your site. He or she needs to know exactly what you want. If there are changes that you want made at a later date, this could be quite costly, so be sure to communicate your vision clearly from the very start. Hiring a professional is often more expensive, but your website will be of higher quality in this case. It is inarguable. The vast majority of businesses will benefit from a company website. Start with just a single page relaying your address and phone number information to customers and build from there. Websites can lead to more sales and, in turn, a much more successful business.